Hello everyone, this is Red Wolf Moon and my first video log entry of homesteading. Well, what will be homesteading. We have just purchased a 2-acre lot. I'll show you videos of the front later. Right now I'm enjoying sitting in the hammock that we have. Try not to queasy cam you too much. It's our property. Next door to us is a lady who breeds little miniature pinchers. That's our septic and stuff box. Sorry. Over there's our dirt road that leads to our house. And that leads up front, north facing part of the property. This way is west. Sun's starting to set right now. South, we have a south of us, about I think maybe 5 miles, is a chain of freshwater lakes. Not very far if we, say, had a horse to hitch up and go to town and get water. Down this way is nice thick foresty to the southeast of us. Heavy duty forest on the east of us, which the most bit of noise that we really get here, other than the birds singing and every now and then a little bit of motorcycle sound from the state road that's off that way. Only other major sound that we get is from this eastern patch of forest, where they seem to use it as like a dirt biking area, which isn't too bad. They only go by like a couple times, and it's not really very loud at all. So far, it's just a double wide trailer that we have. Not really something big and grand. It needs work on the inside. Here we have our little carport. It's absolutely chock full of wood that's old and dry rotted, in need of being burnt. And that's what we'll be turning into a chicken coop. And when we get chickens after we've taken care of the house and have gotten our first garden really set up and put in, which I don't know if you can see it on the video, but